Today I'm unboxing the Redmi game controller for you. Take a look. It has a split-in-one design, Hall joystick trigger, and it's compatible with mobile phones and tablets. The cross key and direction keys are replaceable. The high bottom bracket design is detachable, and the joysticks are replaceable in 3 styles: high, medium, and low. It means that there may be decorative accessories later. There is also a bag, which is quite exquisite, and the texture of the fabric is quite good. There are instructions for disassembling and assembling the game controller, and there is also an instruction manual for the Type-C cable. This one is connected by Bluetooth, and it also comes with a set of replaceable joysticks. This feels good in the hand, so great. How do I open it? How do I separate it? I'll look at the instructions and separate it. How do I separate it? Push down with the left handle like this. Hey, at the same time, the secondary lever will automatically lock. The secondary lever. Where is the secondary lever? Where is the secondary lever? Where is the secondary lever? The secondary lever, the secondary lever. Let me see the secondary lever. At the same time, move the secondary lever in the direction of the arrow at the secondary lever. Yeah, hold this first, and then move this secondary lever. Well, the same goes for this. Pull this first, then pull the second level. I demonstrated that it couldn't be stuffed in. Oh, it can be up or down. Both have to be pulled out, and then pop it out. How do you fix it? It's not firm at all. After putting the tablet in the middle, press in 2 directions on both sides. Press. Oh, press it. Okay, done. All is set. Let's play Genshin Impact game. It's okay. You see, the power button also stays in place.